Today I'm going to make a really special meal, and I'm going to use the Instant Pot for this. This is a dinner that you could make complete in the Instant Pot and serve it for a special occasion, maybe Valentine's Day or a holiday, birthday, something special. I bought these bags of red king crab legs, and these are broken pieces. So these are parts of large legs, about 2 1-pound bags. And they're parts of large legs that have been broken in the store. And they sold them at a cheaper price. They're beautiful, and they're as large as you need them to be to serve them on a plate. So I think it's a great bargain. These actually were wild-caught red king crabs, and they came from Russia. So I'm going to steam them for about 10 minutes in the Instant Pot. They're frozen now, and they're going to be steamed in 10 minutes. They're so easy to make. They're already cooked. All we really need to do is heat them thoroughly. Alright, I'm going to use the Instant Pot pressure cooker. You can use whatever kind of pressure cooker you have, but I've heard that a lot of people got these for Christmas and they're looking for great ways to cook interesting and fun meals. So we're going to use these ingredients: some Old Bay seasoning, a stick of butter, some French green beans, and of course 2 pounds of red king crab. I'm going to serve this with some nice French bread too. Okay, I'm going to show you another little add-on that I was given as a Christmas present from my daughter and her boyfriend, Katie and Mike. And this is a Good Grip silicone pressure cooker steamer. So I'm going to use this today. It's really cool because it's easy to store, and when you put it in the pressure cooker you can interlock the handles. And it's easy to pick up and remove your food, and it's easy to clean. So let me wash this up and I'll be right back, and we'll load up the pressure cooker. Alright, I'm going to use a stick of butter so that when we take this out of the pressure cooker we can dip this in at our place settings. So I'm just going to take 2 little ceramic cups, and I'm going to put a half a stick of butter in each one. And we'll allow the butter to melt as part of the pressure cooking dinner. Just going to take a small piece of foil to cover it, just to keep all the water from the steam from going into the cups. Okay, now I'm going to take the steamer, and I washed about 1 pound of the green beans. I'm going to lay them in there. Now this has little feet on the bottom. It keeps it off the bottom of the pot so nothing will burn or stick to the bottom. Now can you look inside? You'll see how nicely it fits. It's the exact size of the pressure cooker. Now you can interlock these handles and keep everything nice in line here. On top of that, we're going to add the pieces of red king crab legs. Now these are significant size pieces. They're not broken little bits. They're pieces that you would like to serve on your plate. So I think this is a great way to buy it. Alright, that's 1 pound, what you see right there. And we'll add another nice pound. Just one little tiny piece that I'm just going to add in here because it does have some good meat in it. Alright, on top of that I'm going to add 1 cup of water. I'm going to add Old Bay seasoning. I'm just going to sprinkle Old Bay into the pot. It'll spread out when the steam starts moving around in the pot. And if you are interested in adding salt, pepper, anything else, you can, but this has a few seasonings in it that you would normally put in, and I think it covers the flavors very well. Alright, on top of that I'm just going to sit my little cups of butter and we're going to put the lid on top of it. Close it up. Make sure your vent is set for closed. Alright, now we're going to use the steam function here. And I'm going to change it from 5 minutes to 10 minutes. It automatically turns on. When it builds up the pressure for the steam, it will count down 10 minutes. While the crab legs are cooking, I'm going to cut some nice crusty bread. And we'll serve these pieces along with the dinner. The cooking time has finished. I'm going to release the pressure manually here. And we'll be back when the steam has escaped. The steam has escaped and the pin dropped, so let's open the lid. Oh, you can smell the nice seafood dinner here. Take a look inside that pot. Everything is in place just as we left it, only it's fully heated now. I'm going to remove the cups of butter. Let's just take a peek inside here. Under the foil, you can see the butter is nicely melted and ready to serve. We'll keep that on to keep it warm until I get everything out of the pot. Okay. Now I'm going to remove each of the pieces of steamed crab meat and place them in a dish for serving. Nice. Ooh, they're hot. Some of the Old Bay seasoning, of course, is transferring onto the green beans, and that's nice. Look at that beautiful dish of crab legs. Now I'll show you how easily we can lift the green beans out with this nice sling, and they can be served in this, or you can slip them right out onto a serving plate. Boy, that really worked out nice. I like that little gadget. Thanks, Katie and Mike. Alright, let's get to the table. Alright, dinner's served. Rick, would you join me?
Time to eat.
Time to eat. You're gonna like this one.
What is it? Spaghetti?
Red King crab legs. They don't come on our table too often, do they?
Where's yours?
Oh, are you kidding me? Here. I even gave him a cracker. Go ahead. Nice.
Mama?
Thank you. Would you like a nice crusty piece of bread here?
Well, I'm going to put it that way.
That? I know you like that crusty part.
How do I work this?
Well,
Do I need a little fork?
I thought our forks would manage because it's pretty big pieces. You gotta work for this meal, huh? Well,
It's good.
that's good. Did you dip it in butter?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at that nice piece of meat.
It's cracked better than mine.
Oh my God. These are good. Wow. Can you taste the Old Bay seasoning a little bit?
Maybe. Yeah, I guess I can.
Well, I think this is a nice meal to make for Valentine's Day or something like that, right?
Can I miss it again?
Well, we're going to be home for Valentine's Day because you have a drawing that night.
Yeah.
I'll put a link below to the drawing for, Rick is doing a very special drawing for a Fitbit. And like the one he's wearing, believe it or not.
The butter's good. Did I make that?
Yeah, you helped. Oh my gosh, they're sharp.
That's good.
I don't think I need a sharp knife. Even these little tips. Oh, look at this. Look at this. I love when they come out like that. Oh, isn't that nice? Wow. That's delicious. Anyway, as I was saying, I'm going to put a link to the drawing that Rick has. And the drawing takes place on Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
Check
That's
it
on
out.
my second channel that people might not have saw.
Yeah.
How'd you get that out like that? I think.
Yeah. I pulled this one out. You got it. You got it.
Huh.
I think I'm going to adjust the camera a minute because it's coming off the top of your head.
That's alright.
Oh, I like this.
Ain't nothing going on up there. I just washed my hair and I can't do a thing with it.
Let's take a close up here.
Ouch. Hey, Mr. Krabs. Ooh. That honka honka.
You got a nice piece there. There. Now your head's in the picture. What are you guys having for dinner tonight? Anybody eating seafood tonight?
Pork roll. Pizza pie.
That's what you thought you were having for dinner, huh?
Pizza. What are you having?
Well, I think that if you can buy your crab meat this way, like at a reduced price just because the pieces are smaller, wow, what a savings. Instead of paying $80 for a long crab leg with this amount of meat, we got this for about $26. And that was great.
Yeah.
You got any special recipes coming up?
Not that I know of.
Well, you know, it's almost Mardi Gras time. I think it'd be neat if you
Well,
made
you want some beads?
I thought, yeah, I want some beads. But I thought maybe you'd like to make gumbo or something, like really nice recipe for that time of year. What do you think?
If I keep biting hard shells like this, you're gonna call me gumbo. Did I ever make that before?
I don't know. I mean, we've had it here, but I think it'd be a nice
Low
video.
country boil, I mean, right?
We've had that, but
That jive with that season.
it's that kind of thing. But
That's southern.
gumbo is a really bodacious dish. We could have some things that go with it. Like, I was just thinking of a recipe for
Pizza?
king cake. You know, the special cake they make for Mardi Gras
It's kind
time?
of like a fruitcake to me. If there's a baby in it, huh?
We could do a thing on
Huh.
it. Yeah,
Ah,
a trinket.
speak to me. The baby.
Well, some people would put a baby in the cake, and the person who gets the baby in their piece of cake has good luck.
Has to support it for 14. Or go to the dentist and get your tooth fixed after you bit it.
Well, hopefully you don't bite on it. But it can be a trinket of any kind.
It'd be a new car key.
Maybe. So we could do a Mardi Gras meal together.
We.
Do a special video.
I'm special.
You're special.
I'm special.
You're special. What do you like better, the knuckles or the legs? They're all good meat, huh?
Mm-hmm.
The knuckles have more of the seasoning on.
Knuckles.
Rick's eating veggies.
Ooh.
Woo, you got a nice piece of meat there. Imagine how big these crabs were. Oh, they probably stretched across the size of the table.
Think so?
Yeah. Did you ever watch that show, Deadliest Catch? Those crabs are huge.
I watch it on SpongeBob.
Well, we're almost done, so we're going to wrap this up. Thank you for joining us for our dinner and watching us make it. And watching Rick enjoy all this nice crab meat.
No, I thought it was lobster.
Tastes like lobster. Anyway, thanks for coming.
A chicken
Check
of the sea.
Check out Rick's channel. Sign up for his drawing if you'd like to.
Could be lucky win a brand new Fitbit, huh?
Mm-hmm. That'd be nice. It's a nice one. Does a lot of stuff, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed it. Try this if you get a chance yourself. It makes a nice special meal. Use your Instant Pot. Use your imagination and use your Instant Pot every chance you get. Saves you so much time and the results are great. Thanks for joining us and we'll see you soon. Go ahead.
Bye.